Be happy. Be healthy. Be your best.
I was able to do an interview a couple of weeks ago with Katie, who is part of an organization that teaches kids and adults that choose to take her courses on how to roll and float and have airplane arms, quiet toes, and basically be able to survive in the water, especially young ones, even little ones, babies, toddlers, fall into a pool or fall off a boat or just have an unexpected situation happen. They're able to survive in water. Her expertise is fantastic. If you haven't had a chance, go back and watch that video. However, now I'm going to have an episode that treats you to clips of her working with my granddaughter, Luna. And they're a lot of fun to watch. You'll see some of the techniques that she does. She has been working with Luna for a couple years, just a couple weeks each year, and Luna has made great progress, as has her sister Lily. But Lily's 2 years older than her, so she's graduated to roll, float, quiet toes, airplane arms, but also able to jump off of diving boards, do cannonballs, swim like a fish. But when she finds herself in an interesting situation in the water, she rolls and floats. So very valuable lessons, but I just wanted to have you enjoy seeing some of the clips with my granddaughter Luna from when we were there a few weeks ago. And you can see that Katie is firm with them, fun with them, but very insistent and very consistent on teaching them the skills that make it so that they can not only survive in the water, but become excellent swimmers, enjoy the water, have respect for the water, and like she said in her interview, that confidence that they develop in the water also extends to other areas of their life. So enjoy the clips of my granddaughter Luna and think about possibly contacting Katie in Arizona if you have children or grandchildren that would really, really benefit from the very, very valuable thing that she teaches children or even some adults that have never learned to swim on how to feel confident in the water and have some really valuable tools that make it where they can survive in the water, enjoy the water, have respect for the water, and just really have the water be something that is an enjoyable part for the rest of their lifetime. Enjoy.
Mama, May wants you to do it. Ready? Hey, wait, no, listen. Listen.
I want to swim that way.
Okay, go do it. Go get them, and then ready, set, go. Go get the fishies. Go. 1, 2, 3. Roll it. Quiet toes. Belly up. Quiet toes. 1, 2, 3. Go, 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 go. Come on. Okay. Can you say, I did it. 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 Of course you won't do it when you got the
Luna, tell me I did it.
Say, I did it. I did it. I did it. And jump.
What?
Let's jump.
No.
One time.
No.
One time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Good girl. Quiet toes. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Right there. Good girl. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Go, Luna. Go, Luna. Go, Luna. Tuna, Boona. Luna, tuna. Ready? Cannonball! Quiet toes, princess. Thank you. Nice. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Roll it. Right there. Quiet toes. 1, 2, 3. Go, go, go. Oh, yeah. She did it. That's my girl. 3, go. 1, 2. What are you doing? Roll it, monkey. Belly up. Quiet toes. 1, 2, 3. Go, go, go. Come on, kick your feet. 1, 2, 3. Roll it. Chin up, belly up. Quiet toes. 1, 2, 3. Go, Luna. Go, Luna. Okay, what do you say? I did it.
I did it. Wait,
Oh,
Ready?
Stop!
Okay, you gotta roll. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go, Luna. Go, Luna. Quiet your toes. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Go. Come on. I did it.
I did it.
Good job. Roll. Belly up. Quiet toes.
okay, you guys, so I'm going to talk to you for a minute. You guys went and swam at Katie's lessons, right?
Yes.
And what did Katie teach you how to do?
Roll and float.
What did you say, Lil?
Roll and float.
What did you say, Luna?
Roll and float.
Exactly. So when you do a cannonball, when you come up, what do you do?
Roll and float.
Exactly. And then you have, what do you do?
Roll and float. Roll and float.
And then what do? Do you have belly up?
Yes.
And what else?
Toes up.
Yep.
Toes up. Arms out. Arms out.
Yep, exactly.
Chin up.
Chin up.
Chin up.
And do we ever blow bubbles in the water?
No.
Where do we
Never.
keep our bubbles? Inside. So did you guys like swimming in Katie's pool?
Yes.
Okay. When you guys do a cannonball, when you come up, what's the first thing you do?
Roll and float.
Roll and what?
Roll and float.
Yes, exactly. Well, thank you guys for telling me how it was at Katie's. Well, there you have it. An interview with Lily and Luna about roll and float. They really enjoy going to Katie's. They enjoy the lessons, and it's such valuable information. So please, really valuable, please like and subscribe. And if you can, go back and see the interview with Katie and share it with your family and friends, and maybe share the clip and interview that you're seeing right now. And let's just share this valuable information with the community so that we can prevent things from happening in the future that every mom and dad dread as far as their kids go, with pools and lakes and the ocean. Let's give our kids the valuable tools that they need in order to play in the water, have fun in the water, respect the water, and have confidence that they have tools that they can use to keep them safe. So from Be Happy, Be Healthy, Be Your Best, look forward to talking to you again soon on another episode. And like I mentioned before, please like, subscribe, and share. We want to get this information out to as many people as possible.
Be healthy, be your best.